Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is April 28th, 2025, and we're diving into Cadence's first quarter earnings report. Joining us is John, a senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Cadence has just released their Q1 2025 financial results, and there's a lot to unpack, from revenue growth to their raised outlook for the year.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Cadence reported a revenue of $1.242 billion for Q1 2025, marking a 23% increase year over year. John, what are the key drivers behind this impressive growth?
Absolutely. The revenue growth is primarily driven by strong demand across all business segments, particularly in semiconductor IP and system design. Their AI-driven innovations and robust customer demand have significantly contributed to this performance.
And on the profitability front, Cadence's non-GAAP EPS came in at $1.57, a 34% increase from last year. How did they achieve such a strong bottom line?
The increase in EPS is a result of improved operating margins and effective cost management. Their non-GAAP operating margin rose to 41.7%, up from 37.8% last year, showcasing their operational efficiency.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. Analysts had forecasted an EPS of $1.17 for Cadence, but the company delivered $1.57. That's a significant beat. What does this tell us about Cadence's performance and market expectations?
This substantial beat indicates that Cadence is outperforming market expectations, driven by their strategic initiatives and strong execution. It reflects their ability to capitalize on market opportunities, particularly in AI and semiconductor sectors.
With such a strong performance, how does this affect investor sentiment?
Investor sentiment is likely very positive. Beating EPS forecasts by such a margin often leads to increased investor confidence and can positively impact the stock price.
Strategic initiatives and market position. Cadence has been making strategic moves in the market. Can you elaborate on their key initiatives and how these are positioning them for future growth?
Cadence's strategic focus on AI and digital twins is paying off. Their semiconductor IP revenue grew by 40% year over year, and their core EDA revenue increased by 16%. Their partnership with NVIDIA on AI solutions further strengthens their market position.
How significant is their collaboration with NVIDIA?
It's quite significant. Collaborating with a tech giant like NVIDIA not only enhances Cadence's product offerings, but also opens up new market opportunities, particularly in AI-driven solutions.
Future outlook and guidance. Looking ahead, Cadence has raised its revenue and EPS outlook for 2025. What are the key factors contributing to this optimistic guidance?
The raised guidance is supported by a strong backlog of $6.4 billion and a current remaining performance obligation of $3.2 billion. Their resilient business model and ongoing customer demand are key factors driving this positive outlook.
What should investors keep an eye on as we move through the year?
Investors should watch for continued execution on their strategic initiatives, particularly in AI and semiconductor IP, as well as any developments in their partnerships and market expansion efforts.
Key takeaways. In summary, Cadence has delivered a strong Q1 performance, exceeding expectations across the board. With a robust outlook for 2025, they are well positioned for continued growth. Thank you, John, for your insights.
Thank you for having me. It's been a pleasure discussing Cadence's impressive results.
Thank you for watching Smart Stock Watch. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more financial insights. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Cadence's performance in the comments below.